everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Get It All Done video. In today's video, I'm doing a refrigerator refresh and restocking all of my produce, just making it look pretty. And later in the day, I am finally getting around to organizing and decluttering my master bathroom closet. If you are new here, my name is Kristen. I'm a stay-at-home mom of a baby and a toddler, and I post on Sundays, so I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel for more videos. I make a lot of homemaking type videos, Sunday resets. I'm getting ready to do a lot of party prep videos coming up as well. So I would love it if you join my channel. Anyway, let's get into some organizing. Isn't it funny how the foods that are really healthy for you are actually really beautiful? I just always think produce is so beautiful, and I love to get as many fruits and vegetables for the week for my family as possible. And then if you get them all rinsed and ready to go, then it's more likely that you're going to eat them. If they sit in a bag in the bottom of the drawer of the refrigerator, sometimes you forget about them and like, oh, another thing of asparagus went rotten. Whoops, you know. So I try to just get everything rinsed at the beginning of the week and then have it in the refrigerator so it looks nice, and then it's easier to make dinners and things when you don't have to worry about rinsing your vegetables and all of that. So.
Can you tell that I am all but sober? Never realized my friends went home. Suddenly you're all I need. The situation that gets me frustrated, it's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself nothing of what I feel is real. But I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. And I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's not me.
You like it? What do you think?
It's the organizing.
It's the organizing.
How do me?
It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize.
All right, so the next organizing project I need to do today is this bathroom closet. It desperately needs some help. I just wanted to show you what it actually looks like. I didn't want to go in and refresh it before starting this. So this is what it actually looks like. And down here I just usually have 3 baskets. That one's in the laundry room right now. This is not really a great system. The laundry baskets are just ugly, and I don't even have one there right now. So it just looks like a total mess. So I can't wait. I have 3 new beautiful laundry baskets to put down here. And then up here is just a total mess. I always have just toilet paper, diapers, wipes, medicine stuff, makeup stuff, lotions, just all thrown together. And then I have like the kids' medicine basket, and then just random things in here, hair stuff. Up here I have like cloth diapers that I don't use anymore, so I'll probably store those away somewhere else. An extra shower curtain here, and then towels just thrown up there. So it looks terrible. I mean, I guess it's not too bad, but it can definitely use a little bit of a makeover. So in here, these are going to be the baskets that I'm going to be using for the laundry baskets. And these I just got on Amazon. I will go ahead and link these down below. I thought they were really nice, good quality, not crazy expensive. And then these baskets over here, if you watched my bedside nursery video from the past, these were the baskets that I used for my bedside nursery for both of my babies. But my baby's about to turn 1 now. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. But I have all these extra baskets now that I don't need, because I don't need a little bedside nursery for him anymore. So I'm going to put all the bathroom stuff in these. And then I ordered these 2 baskets here. Sorry about my shadow. Really inexpensive. I will link those down below. But let's go ahead and get organizing.
We're the last people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. 'Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me from me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me, it feels different whenever you're around. If I'm blue again tomorrow, that's alright, 'cause I'm so damn happy now. When I'm at my darkest, you're always there to pick me up. I don't think that I'll tell you enough that I love you and how you light me up. I used to feel like an outcast, but with you I know that I belong. Like it's us against the world. You like me from me without all of the glitter, and you make me laugh just like a little kid. And all my insecurities just disappear when you're here with me. I've been a stranger to this feeling, never felt so high. Won't even care if you and I come crashing down tonight. I'll let it hit me, it feels different whenever.
So I'm doing a little bit of a declutter here as well. I'm going to be throwing away a few of these products that I just don't use anymore. I use very few things. I'm very simple. I'll show you in a little bit like exactly what I actually use, and I don't know. Some people have so many products, and I can't believe, like, do you really use all those things? And this mirror tray was disgusting. This totally needed to be cleaned. And then I decided to replace it with a wooden tray. Just thought it looked a little nicer. So the products that I actually use, I love this Osea body butter. I use this every day. I'm so simple. I just have the Burt's Bees tinted chapstick. I don't even own lipstick right now. It's kind of sad, but I just use that. And I use the Dr. Hauschka. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I've been using this for about 10 years. It's called Rose Day Cream, but I use it as a night cream. It's so thick. And this Burt's Bees lip treatment. I've been using this now for almost, I think, 10 years as well. The Native Cucumber Mint is my favorite deodorant. Once I like something, I stick with it forever. Like, I'm that person. And then for makeup, I'm so simple. I just use the Tarte palette with the Tarte pressed powder. And I use just drugstore mascara and eyebrow pencil right now. Nothing fancy at all. And then earlier I showed the Suzanne Summers Ageless Serum. I've been using that for like a morning moisturizer for about 10 years as well. So I'm 38, and a lot of the products that I've been using since I was about 28 when I first started thinking about my skin for the first time. And I love both of those products. If you're looking for a new moisturizer for your face, the Suzanne Summers Ageless Serum is by far just my favorite thing ever. And then that Dr. Hauschka, however you say it, the Day Rose Cream, that is a great night cream. Next up, I am just organizing the first aid basket and the kids medicine basket, and here's going to be my toilet paper basket. It's a little sad. I only have one toilet paper right now. I'm going to get more. My kids' little sick basket here. I have a little book, one of the Llama Llama books for when you're sick, and I just think that's something nice to have when your kids are sick, to have something like some sort of tradition to make them feel good. I don't know. I think it's cute to have in there. And then we try to use a lot of natural stuff for the kids, but of course I have the Tylenol and Motrin and all that just in case. And then I like to, on the top, just write the expiration dates in Sharpie so that anytime I'm decluttering or whatever, it's just easy to see oh, are these expired? And I do that with our own, medicines as well.
When
I'm toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flames going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
So I'm loving the way the closet turned out. It looks so much better. And then today I just got my order of diapers, wipes, toilet paper, tampons, and a couple soaps. So I took the diapers and wipes out of those two baskets because I have another basket in my room where I keep diapers and wipes, put them in there. So I'm going to fill up those two baskets, restock that little toilet paper, that sad, pathetic toilet paper bin that I made last night. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are not subscribed, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me.